Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So here we are inside getbootstrap.com. Now, as you already know, this is their official website. In order to use it, you need to download it, right? See here we have download option. Now, for using it, you have two ways. One is download the compiled JS and CSS version, or you can use the CDN link. Okay, let me show you both the ways. In this whole course, I will use the CDN link. But also I want to show you that if you want to use it locally, then how you can use it. So first, compiled CSS and JS. Click on this download link. It will get downloaded. Then after that, open the containing folder. You will get this as a zipped file. Right click on this file, click on extract. Now extract it using your extraction software, like say WinZip is there, WinRAR is there for Windows, 7-zip is also there. If you are using some other operating system, you can even Google search that how we can extract or how we can unzip files in Linux or Mac. Okay, so after it got downloaded, right click on extract. It will be extracted here. Now just open it. Then here inside it you will see two folders, CSS folder and JS folder. Let's open CSS folder, right? Here you will see many files. Okay, see here we have RTL versions. Okay, but we'll be using this one, bootstrap.mean.css file. Yes, friend. And in JS, we'll be using this one, bootstrap.mean.js file. Yes. And how we can use it? Let me just show you. So here we have a folder which is bootstrap resources. Let me right click and create a new folder. Let me name it CSS, and let's create one more folder and let's name it JS. From bootstrap dist JS, will be copying this file only, and we'll be pasting it here. Now here we are not using popper.js. Okay, popper is for tooltips and all that I will show you. If you want, I can include it later on also. So let me know if you want popper.js tutorial. Let me just show you one thing. We are not including popper. Okay, here in this bundle you will get popper also. This bundle mean I guess is there. Yeah, here you get bootstrap.js with popper.js, but here we are excluding popper.js and we are including only bootstrap main.js file. Why? Because popper.js is used mainly for tooltips and popovers, so that's why. Okay, generally we'll be using this one only. So here inside bootstrap we have included JS file, and let me copy the CSS one also. So bootstrap mean CSS file, where is there? This is the one. Let's copy it and let's paste it here. Okay, next open your favorite text editor. For me it's Sublime Text. I have two actually text editors. I love two editors. One is Visual Studio Code and another is Sublime Text. Yeah. Okay, so we are here inside bootstrap resources. I will provide you these resource files, so not to worry. So first thing, we need to create a new file. Let's create a new file. Let's save it by pressing Ctrl S, and let's save it as index.html. Let me hit save, and let's write here HTML, then provide a tab. It got loaded with default HTML markup, right? Okay. Next, inside head, let's include the style sheet. So link rel equals style sheet href equals css slash bootstrap.main.css. Let me hit save, and just before where your body tag ends, let's include the JS file. So script type equals text slash javascript. Next, source tag, sorry, source attribute, yeah, source js slash bootstrap.main.js. Let me hit save. Now let's right click on this file and click on open in browser. Let's right click, click on inspect, come to debugger. So yeah, here we have bootstrap main.js. Inside debugger, you will see your JS file which got included. So yeah, it got included correctly. Now, in order to check that whether your bootstrap CSS file got added correctly or not, I will quickly write here some code, like say div with a class of container. Inside it, let's add here a div with the class of row. Next, inside it, let's add here a button. No, not button. Let's add here div with a class of say call. Next, let's provide a background like say bg-secondary. These are bootstrap associated classes. That's why I am writing these classes. You don't have to think about it now. I'm just checking that whether it got added correctly or not. Okay, that's why only. And there is one more thing that I want to show you. Yes, friend. BG secondary. Then let's add some padding of 5 units all over, and inside it let's write here h1, no, not h1, yeah, div with a class of h1, yeah. And let's write here say web design. Okay. Next, let's copy this column, press Ctrl C, and let's paste it say one more time. And instead of web design, let's write here say web development. And this one, let's change the text color, say text warning. This one also, let's write a text warning. Let's hit save. Let's right click, open in browser. There you go. And also let's write here say text center, text hyphen center. Here also text center. Let me hit save, hit refresh. Yeah, there you go. And let's add few margin, right? M say 2. Here also M2. Let's hit save. Let's write here. Yeah, there you go. There we have some gap. So yeah, actually Bootstrap CSS got added correctly, which I got understood previously only. Now one thing which I wanted to show you, I remember one thing that I told you, that it's really very easy to create layouts with Bootstrap. Yes friend, using this container, row and call class. Yes friend, let me just do one thing, let me just copy this column, press Ctrl C. See here we have div with the class of call, that is for column. Let me just paste it, okay? And instead of web development, let's write as a graphics design. So graphics design. Let me hit save. Let's come here, hit refresh. There you go. Now we have one row with 3 columns. See? So I think you are getting the point, right? It's really very easy to create layouts. Yes, friend. So okay, so that's it. Here in this lecture we have installed Bootstrap, and yeah, one more thing that I need to show you. Let me just right click. No, not right click. Let me do one thing. Go to file, save it as index1.html, and now let me remove the style sheet from here, and also let me remove the JavaScript from here. Let me hit save and let me open it in browser. Yeah, it's looking like this only. I want to show you the CDN link also, how you can work with CDN links. Generally in this course we'll be using the CDN link only. I just show you that if you want to use it locally, how you can use it by downloading the source files. So just below it you will see an option that CDN via JS deliver. Copy this. We will not be using the bundled mean.js file. So what we will do, we will just copy it. Sorry, we have already copied it. Let's paste it. And let me remove the script tag here. And from here, we'll be using the Bootstrap mean.js file. Let me just copy this one. And let me just paste it before our body tag ends. And let me remove the popper. Okay, let me hit save, and now let's right click, open in browser. There you go. If you want to make it red, let's make it text danger. Yeah, these are Bootstrap associated classes, so one will get red, but I think it's not looking that good, right? So text warning is only fine. Okay, so that's it. So now you know that what is Bootstrap, why people are using it, and how we can include it in our project. We have seen that we have 2 ways of including. One is by downloading the source files, and another is by using the CDN link. So that's it guys. See you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.